InsureMe offers its affiliates the ability to co-brand the InsureMe website. In this video, we'll discuss what co-branding is, why you'd want to use it, and show you how to add co-branding to your affiliate account. So what is co-branding? Co-branding gives InsureMe affiliates the ability to add a custom top banner and banner background colors to the InsureMe lead site. By doing so, any lead coming to the InsureMe site that arrives with a link ID number that has been assigned to co-brand will see the custom banner and colors designated for that link ID. As an example, here's a site that is not using co-branding. As you can see, when someone enters their information and submits it through the quote box, the user is taken to the basic InsureMe site, and the transition to the InsureMe lead site is fairly obvious. On the other hand, if the same site was using co-branding, the transition from one site to the other would look more like this. As you can see, co-branding offers InsureMe affiliates many advantages. First and foremost, utilizing co-branding in conjunction with an InsureMe quote box has been proven to increase conversion rates for InsureMe affiliates. This is attributed to the seamless transition co-branding offers to visitors transferring from an affiliate's website to the second page of the InsureMe lead site. Co-branding also helps produce a more positive user experience for your visitors. This is important since the major search engines tend to favor sites that provide the best possible user experience. Also, while InsureMe affiliates can send pay-per-click traffic directly to InsureMe, the ability to get your ads served is greatly reduced by doing so. This is because major search engines restrict the serving of their pay-per-click advertisements to one URL per keyword. To avoid this, we highly encourage all of our affiliates to use a website of their own in conjunction with a quote box and co-branding to get the most of their PPC efforts. Now that you can see why you would want to use co-branding, let's discuss how you can set up a co-brand. There are two main steps to setting up a co-brand. The first is creating the co-brand, and the second is assigning that co-brand to a campaign. Also, before you get started, you will need to have a top banner image to use for your co-brand. We suggest using a top banner that closely resembles that of the top banner on your website. While the height of your banner image is totally up to you, we suggest limiting the width of your top banner to somewhere around 720 pixels or so. Of course, you can try various top banner images to see what looks and converts the best for you. Once you have the top banner image you want to use, log into your InsureMe affiliate account. Once in your account, you should click on the Co-Brands link at the top of the page. From the View Co-Brands page, click on the link that says Here to create your first co-brand. Once on the Create Co-Brands page, you should add a description that accurately describes the co-brand. For this example, we will enter the name of the website the co-brand is being used for. Next, you'll be asked to select a style of co-brand. Your choices are the default look, which is centered, has a border and constrained proportions, or a classic look, which has a top banner and stretches all the way across the width of the web page. We recommend selecting the co-brand style that most closely resembles the layout of your website. Next, you will need to select a banner image to upload. To do this, click on the Browse button and select the image file from your computer that you would like to upload. Once you've done that, enter the URL of your website. This will be used as a link on the top banner you uploaded. This way, if somebody clicks on your top banner, they will be directed to your website. Next, you will need to select both the background and accent colors. The background color is the color that sits under the banner you uploaded, and the accent color is a thin colored line that is underneath the banner. To enter colors, you can either enter the 6-digit hex code, or you can use our convenient color picker. Once you have done this, it's time to preview your co-brand. The preview page gives you an example of what your co-branded page will look like. If you don't like how your co-brand looks, click on the back button and make adjustments. If you do like what you see, click on the Save button. Once your co-brand is saved, you'll be taken to the View Co-Brands page. The next step is to assign your co-brand in order to activate it. To do this, click on the Assign Co-Brands link. On the Assign Co-Brands page, you will see a list of campaigns in your affiliate account. If you haven't created any campaigns, you'll see Unassigned Links as your only option. To assign a co-brand to a campaign or to your unassigned links, click on the Edit link. Once you have done that, you'll be given a drop-down menu that you can use to select your co-brand. Click on this drop-down box and select the name of the co-brand you would like to use. Once you've done this, click the Save button. Congratulations! You have created and assigned your first co-brand. All co-brands should go live a couple of hours after they have been uploaded. If you have any questions about the use of co-brands or how to set them up, feel free to call us at 800-467-8736.